GPRS recently helped an airport in Michigan ensure the integrity of its expansive stormwater system. Project manager Andy Jersy inspected and mapped roughly 60,000 linear feet of storm lines at Flint Bishop International Airport, where officials were looking to gain an understanding of their system's integrity prior to undertaking planned improvement projects. Now, the airport had thankfully not experienced any major incidents related to the degradation of their stormwater system, but sinkholes had formed in a field near the runway, which were caused by pipe separating and other issues commonly related to aging infrastructure.
And some of the lines could be close to 100 years old. They've never had eyes inside the pipes. They've known that they've had sinkholes out in the grass area from pipe separating or issues. So they want to avoid, when they're mowing to hit those, or if there's any more serious structure that could go underneath a runway, taxiway.
GPRS has a comprehensive suite of sewer and stormwater line inspection services, including video pipe inspections, smoke testing, and dye tracing, to help you gain a comprehensive understanding of the infrastructure below your feet. Andy primarily deployed our VPI service at the airport. This inspection service uses industry-leading remote video cameras to assess conditions and prevent problems in water, sanitary and storm sewer, and lateral pipelines. Our NASSCO-certified project managers scope your sewers to locate clogs, identify crossbores, find structural defects and damages, and conduct lateral sewer line inspections. Andy began his inspection of the airport's storm system by conducting a site walk. Then, over the course of a couple months, he inspected and mapped the system, providing the airport and the engineering firm it had hired with updated drawings, maps, and video and photographic evidence of all defects within the lines. He was also able to inspect and map the buried lines and valves that are part of the airport's de-icing system.
When they de-ice planes, they got to be able to have that de-icing go to a holding tank. You got to make sure that your valves are working, and we're able to see that some of the valves had stuff stuck in them, so they're able to get them cleaned out before this upcoming winter. We were able to put the camera in there and see the valves actually functioning as they should be. And that way they can guarantee that the contaminants of the de-icing would not go out into creeks and rivers and waterways and contaminate groundwater.
All the data Andy collected on site was compiled into a detailed, NASSCO-compliant WinCan report. In this report, all defects and other issues identified within a storm or sewer system are geolocated, ranked by severity, and documented with both photo and video evidence. Airport personnel and their contractors will be able to view all this data 24/7 from any computer, tablet, or smartphone thanks to SiteMap, GPRS's project and facility management application that provides accurate existing conditions documentation to protect assets and people. With SiteMap, critical infrastructure data is accessible and securely shareable, allowing even the largest and most complex facilities and campuses to eliminate the costly and potentially dangerous mistakes caused by miscommunications. Andy said that officials at Flint Bishop International Airport recognize the importance of having all their site data in one single source of truth, especially when they learned that their longtime facility manager was going to be retiring and taking his decades of knowledge with him.
The gentleman that had been at this airport for a lifetime actually retired. And they're gonna have to rely on maps instead of calling up this guy, hey, where's this line at? With SiteMap, we were able to decipher which lines went to each outfall. So if there was an emergency at that site, they know where they could take and block off a line to where it wouldn't get into a creek, a river, watersheds, anything like that.
From storm lines to skyscrapers, GPRS intelligently visualizes the built world to keep your projects on time, on budget, and safe. What can we help you visualize? Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you always know when we drop a new video.